My name is Lauri. I am 17 years old and living in Finland. When I was 14, I established my own filming company. Last summer, I got an invitation from FrodXu to visit Slovenia. I packed my stuff and left. FrodXu is helping other companies to digitalize marketing and sales operations. It was great to see how their experts were working with full attention, high motivation, and smile on their face. I learned the secret of success is having fun, taking creative breaks, and enjoying great company during the day. Project by project, these guys are creating more with less. One day, I would let them digitalize also my business. Because they convinced me.